Hello, everyone. I'm Emma, your English teacher.
And I'm Jake. I'm excited to help you learn today.
Today, we're going to talk about abilities. What you can do and what you can't do.
That sounds fun. I love talking about what we can do.
Great. Let's start with a little dialogue. Jake, can you swim?
Yes, I can swim. I love swimming in the summer.
I can swim too. How about dancing? Can you dance?
I can't dance very well.
That's okay. I can dance a little. What about singing? Can you sing?
I can sing. I love to sing in the shower.
Singing in the shower is great. Now, can you play an instrument?
Actually, I can play the guitar.
That's wonderful. I can't play any instruments sadly.
And can you drive?
Yes, I can drive. I love driving on weekends.
Cool. I can drive too. It's fun.
Now, let's break that down. We used can to say what we can do.
Right. And we use can't for things we cannot do.
Exactly. For example, I said, I can swim, and I can't play an instrument.
And I said, I can sing, and I can't dance very well.
Good job, Jake. Now, let's practice some vocabulary words.
Sure. So, we have swim. Can you say that?
Swim. Very good. And dance.
Dance. I love dancing.
Perfect. Now how about sing?
Sing. I like to sing songs.
Wonderful. What about play?
Play. I play games.
Great. And lastly, drive.
Drive. I can drive a car.
Amazing. Let's review what we learned today.
Okay. We learned that can is for things we can do.
And can't is for things we cannot do.
We practiced with the words swim, dance, sing, play, and drive.
Yes. And next time, we will learn more about daily activities.
I'm looking forward to it. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.